My name is Lilla, I make LGBT children's books. As I like to do a challenge, I will do the 100 Heads challenge. Yes, I am going to draw 100 faces for one character. I am developing the second dad for the children's book. This is the first dad. Isn't he cute? So I'm gonna draw his partner. He's gonna be small, he's gonna be jumpy, he's gonna be really energetic. Yes, I'm really looking forward to going into this new character. Don't mind the crying baby in the background. She's with her other mom. So this is super fun, a lot of different characters, and it's a pretty good challenge, I think. The Pinterest board in itself is pretty good. It has a broad versatility. The only critic I think I have is that it's too many claymation models or statues. I would like it to be more real human beings. So yeah, and I can definitely see the reason why people do this. The link is from Ahmed Aldori's Pinterest board, and it's if you search that on Google, you'll find it. I like the switch between digital and traditional sketching, so in this video you will see me do both. There are definitely positives to both when you do character design. Original, it forces you to not be able to erase things really easily, so you have to face your kind of defaults in drawing, so you have to see easier what you can get better at. Digital is also really nice because you can draw whichever size you want. You will never go outside of the frame. You can just resize it, and it's much more flexible when you sketch, so that's why I like to do both. And yeah, so the digital to make it a little bit easier, and the original to also make it a little bit so you can see your faults. This is really nice when you want to get better at character design. So the reason why I wanted to do this challenge is to kind of force myself to do something new, and that I have to draw more because I need to put that into my schedule. When you see this video, I try to draw relatively fast because I'm drawing 100 faces and I needed to do it in one evening. I'm drawing pretty loose so I can get more of the gesture drawings. I feel like that's much better when you want to develop as an artist inside drawing in general. So more gesture drawings, movement from the shoulder instead of the wrist. That kind of gives you more life into your character. So when you see me sketching these heads, you will always see me do more of a flowy movement than anything else. You want the more lively movement to give life to your character, so that's why I'm doing this. If you have stiff movement from your wrist, you will always get a little bit more stiff result for your drawing. And when you sketch, you don't really want to be very detailed because this is not supposed to look pretty. You need to stay a little bit inside your comfort zone and a little bit outside it. So that's why I'm trying to do this challenge, because I've drawn faces a lot, but I like to challenge myself in drawing more, and that's why I'm doing this challenge. And it's really, really important, guys. It's not pretty, it's just practice. No one needs to see these drawings, and if they did, that's good too. So when I'm sketching this, I'm always trying to get the main shape of the person first. So I'm drawing a circle and I get the proportions right. I always use a channel called Proko here on YouTube, trying to learn a little bit better anatomy. That's a really good anatomy teacher. I really recommend that channel. I'll link it down below, of course. The equipment I use is red pencil because I like the unfinished feel like it gets, so you can always go over with line art if you want later. That's when I use that. I use an ink pencil. Oh, I can't remember the brand now. There's one Pilot I'm using, and I'll link it down below anyway so you can see all the products that I'm using. Digital, I'm using Procreate on my iPad Pro with my digital pencil. I'll link that down below as well if you want to use exactly what I do. My brush pack, I'm normally using the brushes that's already in the program, but I have bought the Max pack from Able Essentials. And yeah, if you feel this challenge is too much for you, you can always stretch out the challenge in more weeks, days, whatever fits you. The most important is that you don't do this to the level of stress, because then you can easily get art block if you stress too much about what you want to draw. That's really important, to keep pushing yourself a little bit, but not too much at the breaking point, you know. This is supposed to be fun, it's supposed to be practice, of course, but it also need to see the development within yourself and within your soul, within your heart. No, I'm just joking. So yeah, I'll link all the equipment into, so you can check that out on Amazon, because I know I'm an equipment geek when it comes to art. I like to know exactly what pen people are using, exactly what ink, what program, because I really want to just get all the information I can about art. Super nerd, I know, but I've just always been really interested in what kind of pencils people use. Okay, guys, I will go into character design depth here in this channel, in this series more. So there will be more videos, by the way, on this character design that I'm doing through this whole book. So don't worry, I'm just doing this challenge here in this video. But please comment down below, of course, if you have any more ideas or things that you want me to show you. But I'll go through facial expressions and also turnarounds on character design. Oh my god, guys, it's so tempting to draw these drawings one more time just to make them perfect, to make them look good. But that's not what this challenge is about. All I have to do now is to draw 100 heads, so I can find out this character and how this character is gonna look like. Finished, not perfect, right? Right, Jake Barker? So there were about 53 men in the original pinboard, and that was fine, but I needed 100 because I'm drawing a character design for a man. And since I wanted to draw a more comic style, I need to search up the rest of the other illustrations or heads in illustration styles, because I like to learn from other people's styles as well. So what I did in this challenge was to search up, what will that be? Oh, I can't do the math. 47 other heads in different styles. So that was really, really fun. And I can really recommend that as well, just drawing 100 heads in the style that you want to learn. And I ran through the images really fast as well. So what I tried to focus at here on this challenge was just to get everything really drawn down without thinking. So just doing it impulsive and get the gestures in, so I knew that I could just go loose with everything. So, alright, we're at the end of the challenge now, and yes, it was challenging. Now you've literally seen step by step what I did through the challenge, but what I wanted to clear at the end here is that we do have a character that I finished at the end of this video, so you can see the final result of the second dad. He has a round nose, huge eyes, and yeah, a more, what do you call it, cheeky manner. So I really like the end result. By drawing all these heads, it really helped me to get through and loosen up and just to find out how I really wanted this guy to look. By drawing so many faces, so many different noses, so many different eyes, it really helped me to narrow down what kind of feature I really wanted for this character. This character is supposed to be happy, light, with his emotions out on his sleeves. He wants to be mainly jolly, but he's also on the polar opposite. He can be really scared and frightened, and he needs his husband to stabilize him sometimes when he's unreasonable. And that's definitely, I feel like, what I got through in this character. It is a little bit mainstream. I've seen this character, or he reminds me of other characters as well. That can be a good thing, and yeah, I'm gonna take it as something good. And of course this is just the sketch of the character first, and in other videos I will do a more thorough turnaround facial expression and keep on developing this character so it will be a full rounded guy. So yeah. Alright, I'm done with this character now, for now, and I will go on to the other videos. I will make the daughter and the son. I'm really looking forward to making them for the book, and this is really fun to illustrate the characters thoroughly before I start drawing the pictures. So yeah, I really recommend you checking out the whole list. It's called Let's Make a Book if you wanted to see this book made step by step on how you can make your own book. That's how I make it, and I will post videos here each Saturday on how to and how you can make your own book as well. Thank you guys for checking out this video. It was super fun, a little bit challenging, and perfect for me to draw these heads. I really recommend you this challenge. So I'll see you next Saturday for another how-to video and Tuesday for a speed paint. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. I also have a Patreon, so if you want to see these books become a reality, please go head over to Patreon and support me there. But yeah, as always, have a great day. Bye!